Now that my Canvas import has completed, I have my past Business Calc course imported into my new Canvas shell. If I go to assignments, I can see that all of the assignments that I've created, all of these homework assignments that were linked to MyOpenMath assessments, are included already. But when I navigate to that first assignment, or any assignment that should be connected to a MyOpenMath assessment, I get a page that looks like this. It says my LMS course is not yet associated with a course on MyOpenMath. So we have to make a connection to a specific MyOpenMath course. The first option is to associate this LMS course with my existing course. That means the course that I copied from, that can work really well if you're teaching multiple sections of the same course. You could do this process once, and then when you do the second course, select this option so all of your students would be working in the same MyOpenMath shell. You would see all their grades and assignments linked together. If that's not the case, the quickest and easiest thing to do is to create a copy of my existing course. So right now this course is somewhat tentatively associated with a previous Math 151 Business Calc MyOpenMath shell. Selecting this option will make a new copy of that same shell. It does all the work in the background for me. But I have one issue with this option, and that is that when I create things in MyOpenMath, I like to use these blocks to group my assignments together. It doesn't really do anything because students don't see this. It's only for my benefit so that I can navigate through assessments and content a little bit more easily. But I like to keep these groupings. And if you choose this first option to have the system automatically create that copy for you, while it maintains all of your assessments and settings, it gets rid of these blocks and just gives you a list of assessments. It's just really a visual organizational thing. It works great, but what I like to do instead is create a course myself. So I'm going to add a new course, and I'm going to copy a template course. Nope. I'm going to copy from my courses. So I would navigate down to that Math 151 from Spring 25. Click Continue. Normally I would go through and set these settings, but we've already discussed how to do that in a previous video. I am going to change this course title to Demo Course so that I don't get it confused with something else that I want to keep, and click Submit. So now I have a course ID, this other information. I can enter the course, or I can go back to Canvas and choose this Show Advanced options. And I can associate this course with a specific class of my choosing, which actually isn't appearing. So let's go ahead and reload this page. There we go. I had to reload since I created that course. But now I see all of the Math 151 courses that I've included, that I've created, but also this demo course that I just created. So what we did was make a specific copy of this course so that I maintain these blocks, which is again just for my organizational benefit. This process takes a few more steps, but it's one that I like to do. Again, the quicker option is just create a copy of your existing course. But in this case, what it'll do is choose to connect to the specific section of MyOpenMath. We click Continue. It says it will take a few moments, but for me, it's almost been nearly instantaneous. And now this copied Canvas course is connected to this demo course Math 151 that I just created. All of the assignments will now be linked. So if we navigate back and say, pick homework 1.2, that connection is already there. I am seeing the teacher view of this. Students would see the student view, and grades will start getting sent back and forth between MyOpenMath and Canvas.